Oppo has officially announced the Oppo Find X9 series phones. Find X9 and Find X9 Pro will be introduced at an event in China on October 16th. Find X9 Pro will be offered in velvet titanium and frost white color options. These will be one of the first batch of phones that will be equipped with the Dimensity 9500 flagship chip and run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. The upcoming Oppo Find X9 Pro is getting a Hasselblad branded camera kit. On the rear will be a 50MP main camera using Sony's Lisha LYT828 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 200MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom using Samsung's ISOCELL HP5 sensor. For selfies, 50MP camera Samsung ISOCELL JN5. The Find X9 Pro will feature a 6.78-inch flat OLED LTPO screen with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The handset will measure 8.24mm in thickness and weigh around 224 grams. The Oppo Find X9 Pro will feature a large 7,500 mAh battery, with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging, as well as IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.